this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen property location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Next, we talk about amenities of this property so you can see on the screen. Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. First category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various deal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, check description below. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching.